Who is it? Cookie? Read it to Mommy. Hey, Taylor. Taylor. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? Who's this? What's her name? Who is that? What's her name? Can you give her a kiss? Oh, that was nice. Do you want to cover her? Cover her with the blanket. She's cold. Cover her up. Oh, she has to go over here. What's her name? What is it? Yeah. Cover her up. Say night-night, baby. Can you tell her night-night? Aw, there. Say bye-bye. Say wake up. Say wake up, baby. Does she need a hug and a kiss? Is the blanket not? Oh, that's nice. Say nice. Oh, that's nice.
72 degrees.
Say bye-bye. Wave to Mommy. Say bye-bye. Since Dad